Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a really fun video. That right there, don't mind that. You know what's so crazy? I was actually not about to film because I had this little bump on my face right here. And then I thought about it, I was like, wait, I'm not fake, I'm real. What the freak? Why you not gonna record? Because you gotta freaking sit. Everybody gets those. So, I had to do my thing, But yeah, today I am going to be mixing all of my curly hair products and then trying them out and seeing if they work. When I say curly hair products, I'm talking about stylers, okay? Now, y'all know I love gel. I love gel to death. It's like one of my favorite products. That and deep conditioner are like my two favorites. Like if I had to choose two products out of everything out there, that would be it. And so, flaking. I'm so scared of flaking. And also my birthday is tomorrow, December 16th. Today is December 15th, like 5 a.m. right now. And my birthday is tomorrow. I'm going out to dinner. That's about it. I'm not really doing anything special. I turned 20, but I don't want my hair to be flaking in my food tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? We are going to go ahead and give this a try and see what happens. Spoon, and we are about to get started. I have a lot of products, guys, so bear with me. First product is the Be Leave-In from Diva Curl. We're just gonna pop this open. We don't need a lot. That's still kind of a lot, but I just squeezed a little bit in there because we gotta put a lot of products in here. And my hair is dripping because it's wet. So I deep conditioned my hair, put it up in this bun, went to sleep, woke up, rinsed it out, and did my leave-in. So my hair is moisturized. We just have to add the gel. Next, I'm gonna use my favorite, the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Y'all already know what's good with the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Just gonna like take a spoon, scoop some out, plop it on in there. I need to get some more Kinky Curly. This was like my 11th bottle. Next is the Main Choice Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. If you saw my Get Ready With Me video, you know that I'm not a huge fan of this gel. Okay, so this one's like kind of like gooey, like, ooh. Okay, the next product is the Black Castor Oil Eco Styler Gel. I hope I don't look crusty, but I probably do. I'm getting better and better every day. Bear with me. I'm gonna take a scoop of the Eco Styler Gel, just like that. Next, oh crap, I dropped my spoon. Yeah, so next product is the Styling Cream from Diva Curl. Like 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay, that's good. The next product is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. I didn't really like this cream at all, really, but we gotta use it, so I'm gonna throw it in there. Plop. Next, we have the yall Organics Curl Sculpting Custard, and there's only a little tiny bit of this left. I like this custard. It wasn't as good as the Kinky Curly custard, but it wasn't bad. This is a nice way to finish up products, when you have a little tiny bit of the product left. Next is going to be the worst gel I've ever used, not on me but on my sister. Cream of Nature with argan oil flexible styling snot. I used this on my sister one time. It was terrible. I don't know how it would be on me, but on my sister it was not good. I really hope this doesn't like my hair doesn't like fall out because all these different ingredients being mixed together. I don't know if this is the way it should be, but we're gonna see. Okay. Next is the Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. Next is the Diva Curl Super Cream. So the other one was a styling cream. This is the Super Cream, and this is a brand new bottle. Like 1, 2. Oh, well, those weren't real pumps. Oh, what you doing? Oh, I guess it wasn't feeling good. Next is the Light Defining Gel from Diva Curl. Pop a little of that. Next is the yall Organics Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. Pumps in there. Next is the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. This product is really good for twist outs and stuff. It's really moisturizing, but and it smells good, really good. Next product is Super Stretch from Diva Curl. You can't even see the product, like the light is just making it so bad, and then my camera only focuses on my face. I don't got one of those fancy DSLR cameras, so I just have a Canon G7X, which is technically a vlogging camera. That's what people typically use this camera for. So for me to be making videos, I'm being resourceful, and I get some even some really good YouTubers that have great equipment and know all this stuff about tech and video production and stuff like that. They'll say my videos look really good, and when they ask me what camera I use and I tell them, they're like, What? So you gotta do what you gotta do though, right? 'Cause I'm really stacking my coins in 2019. Like it's a non-negotiable. You know what I'm saying? Next product is the As I Am Curling Jelly. But yeah, it's a non-negotiable in 2019. I'm stacking my coins. Next product is the Curl Stretch Pudding from Shea Moisture. Next product is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Shea Moisture. Next product is the Styling Cream from Mixed Chicks. And the last product is Eco Salad Gel, the olive oil one. This is it. And I'm just gonna mix them all up. All right, so now that it's all mixed up, we are going to give this product a try. All right, so here we go. Here goes nothing. So I'm gonna take the back section of my hair, just like always. My hair feels really good. Yeah, I really needed this wash because I took my last wash day on to like 10 days and my hair was just really gross, really freaking gross. Like it was so nasty. Like I'll touch my hair and like stuff would be coming out. Like it was just, But you know, we're back, clean hair, ready for styling. So I'm gonna take my water bottle with warm water and we're just gonna spray it up, get it a little wet. I'm gonna take some of this, and it smells really weird. You can definitely smell some of the products in there, but it has an interesting smell. I'm gonna take some of this, work it on in there. And I really hope this works. Like I really hope this isn't a flop, but it feels like it's going to be a flop. Like right off the rip, I don't feel my hair getting defined at all. Has a lot of slip though. A whole lot of slip. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. I guess that doesn't look too bad. Yo, I'm really gonna be 20 in a couple hours, like less than 24 hours. Okay, y'all, so this is day 3 hair, and I gotta say it looks pretty darn good. Like I'm not mad at it. Like I think this actually turned out pretty nice. I gotta say I really did like the results. At first, you know, I was a little skeptical because it wasn't looking too promising, but I actually really liked it. Like for my birthday, my hair looked really good. Like even my sister said, "Oh, you thought it wasn't gonna look good, but I think it looks pretty good." And like it did look really good. This is day 3 hair, so it's pretty good. I'm gonna rock it today, and then I'll probably refresh it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. Like it turned out pretty darn good. Now we do have a little bit of flaking. I'm not gonna lie. Like you can see, like if I don't know if you can see these little particles, but we do have a little tiny bit of flaking, but it's really not a lot. Would I use this again? Like if I made a whole bunch of it, yeah, I would use it again. It made my hair really big because, of course, you know, the stretching products that are in there. There was the Super Stretch from Diva Curl and the Curl Stretch Pudding from Shea Moisture. They were both in there, so obviously they're going to stretch my hair out. And, you know, I'm not a big fan of stretch curls just because it doesn't last as long, but it's not bad. It's not bad. My hair is pretty big, and you know, sometimes I'm just feeling the big hair, okay? But that is all for this video. This was a really pretty fun experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to thank you guys so much for your time, spending your time here with me online. I'm just so grateful. I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you who watched the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.